Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore account PIN number if you lost the access to your Windows. So in order to restore your PIN, click I forgot my PIN option right here. Now if you don't see this option, then try to enter your PIN a couple of times. If your attempts will be incorrect, you will surely see this option right here. Click on it, then you'll have to click on it again for some reason. And then if you have a local account set up on this device, then all you'll have to do to restore your device's the access to your device is to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself, and then change your PIN number. Now if you forgot the answers to security questions, then unfortunately the only way to restore to regain access to your device would be by performing a factory reset operation and reinstalling your Windows from USB on your laptop. Now if you don't know how to do this, we have an entire video that explains how to install Windows from USB on this device step by step, so if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And if you have a Microsoft account connected to your device, then all you have to do is enter the password to your Microsoft account in the field that you can see in front of you, then press enter to sign in. Then you'll have to verify your identity using either your email or your phone that has the phone number that is connected with your Microsoft account. So click email, and then you'll receive a code either to your phone or your email address that you have to enter in the following field. So give me a moment. So once you enter the code, press enter to verify it, and then press continue, and then set up a new PIN for your device and make sure that you remember it this time. Press OK to confirm. If pins don't match, then retype one of them again or both of them, and then you'll regain access to your device. And at this point, that will be it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.